Hi everyone. Yesterday I received a phone call from one of my students. He has been with me for more than 1.5 years. In past 1 year, he was able to do more than 8 export orders, that to Europe and USA, with very good payment terms. I asked him, how is it possible? He told me that your mentorship is the main reason. I would rather say it's not only mentorship. It is about taking action, what your mentor is actually going to say. That is the most important conversion criteria that I have observed in my 7 years experience in training. A lot of people come, but they don't take action. So that is the reason why I started this 1 year mentorship program, because some people pick up in 2 months, some people pick up in 6 months, some people are 12 months. So for all those kind of people, I have formed a pedagogy which really helps them to understand the concepts well and also the practicability or the practicing ability of those concepts. More than that, I am offering a support which is definitely going to help you in becoming a successful entrepreneur. A support from a mentor is obviously required for each and every one of us. Not only for you, not only for me, for everyone it is required. It is not only the courses 3 weeks class, 2 weeks session or 3 days session, that is not definitely going to help you. Or visiting the ports, visiting Dubai is not going to help you. What is going to help you is the dedicated support that a mentor can give you over longer period of time. Whoever giving you that mentorship, choose them. Choose your mentors wisely. Hi, my name is Gani. I am an exporter, importer, freight forwarder, custom broker with own license and a digital marketer and an e-commerce business owner. With all this combined knowledge, I have formed this pedagogy of 1 year mentorship program. If you are willing to join, then please reach out to us. Thank you. Take care. Bye.